This is the Singer 66, set up with number 69 nylon thread, which is upholstery thread. Sewing about 4 layers of nylon. There you go. Easy as pie. Goes in like silk. Tough cast iron machine. All metal gears. Very solid cast iron construction. Good heavy duty sewing machine. Does very well on nylon. Used it quite extensively before getting that walking foot machine right there. Same Singer 66 machine, sewing through about 6 rolled layers of 1000D nylon Cordura. Here we have some heavy nylon webbing folded over.